Hello all of you, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about operators and its function. In the previous video, we have learned about the data types, more data types, that is Boolean, integer, character, or we can call it string in Python, and float. Okay, so in this session, we will learn about operators. Okay, so what exactly mean by operator? Something that does any function, any mathematical operation, specific, be specific. Okay, not only mathematics, that's the operator we call in mathematics, but here in computer science, the operations done by this operators is more than mathematicals. Okay, because computer science does not follow the mathematics. You better know that, because let's see, when we call 2 equals to 2, no, 2 equals to 2 plus 1, or we call as a equal, that doesn't something that relate to mathematics, because many of the people will cancel out 2 on both side, and that will effect up to 1 equals to 0, and that is not possible in mathematics, of course. So here operators plays more role than what it plays in mathematics. Okay, so let's start with the topic. I'm writing first code. Let's take an obvious code. Let's try. I will say print n equals to 3 plus 2. I know you know that. What's 3 plus 2? Obvious. So it will be 5. Pretty obvious. Then let's do something more. Let's write 3 and multiply it by what? Suggest something. Let's take this time 2.6. Okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it is 7.8, whatever the answer it is. So it is perfect. What we have expect from the compiler or the program or the RPC, they are giving us the same answer. And just now let's try something again. Let's determine some variables, define some variables, like a equals to 1 and b equals to 2. So n equals to a plus b. Yeah. I'm writing this and extending my video size just because you should practice simultaneously with me. Okay, if you're not doing so, then the effort doesn't count. Okay, from the effort, it is said that you cannot learn by only watching the videos, or it is said that the clap doesn't sounds with one hand. Okay, ताली दो हाथ से नहीं बजती, exact, मतलब ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती, दोनों हाथ से करना पड़ता है. So that's all. That's what I want to say. Practice by your side also. So yeah, what's the answer? Obviously. Then I will do something more exciting. Okay, here I will just write a equals to 1.1. I know this is boring for you if you're a programmer, or you're just you're not starting from scratch. It is quite boring. Okay, but it does make sense. You will got that sense in just a minute. So here a equals to 1.1 and b equals to 2.8. Next, what we will do, let's try to add some string here. I will add my name here. Okay, and at b I will add something like what recent festival that happens in our country, that is Independence Day. So I will write India, spell mistake. So now let's try, instead of addition, let's try this multiplication. So yeah, we multiply. What you expect? Yeah, yeah, obvious. So here we can clearly see that why I have taken data types before this operator session, because data types matter. All operators cannot work on all data types. Okay, such that this multiplication operator does not work on string data type. This is why this is such that, because it is programmed like that by the inventors of that language particular. Okay, it is programmed like that for the convenience. Maybe the convenience will be at large level, but it is programmed like that. That's why it is what it is. Okay. So let's try now. Multiplication doesn't work. We have seen that. Let's try division. Maybe it works. What do you think? Question mark. This division. Works? No, it doesn't work here. So let's try addition now. What you are thinking of? It will work? I don't think so. It works. What here? It has a okay. It has done what we called in English concatenation, and in computer science, programmers called it concatenate. Okay. So what they are actually doing, they are just taking the words and putting them one after another without having any space. We can give a space that I will teach you in upcoming lectures. So what addition is doing? Addition is adding, not adding, concatenating two strings one after other. Okay. So here plus operator can act or can be work with what I can say can be easily work with the string data type. Okay. So we have got there. Let's try this time some sort of string here. What kind of string we can try? Let's try not a string. Let's try list here. Let's take numbers, random numbers 1, 2, 3, and here let's take an random numbers again. What's the random number I can take? 20, because today's date is 20. Then 9 and then 2. Okay, that's the random number I have taken. So, what do you think? What they will do? What this program will do? Let's see. It's running. I think it's running. It's running now. Okay. What they have done? I think they have done something like union. Not exactly union. Union is, I think, it doesn't reflect the repeating. We have studied in 12th class, I think, higher education. We have studied that union does not demonstrate or reflects repeated value. It is not an union. We can say that it is also a part of concatenation, that it just add two lists one after another. Okay. So yeah, addition works on string and addition can also work on list. Then more for that, we can see that. Now let's try some expression. Okay. What type of expression I was telling to you? Let's see that. N equals to, let's write 10 plus 13 multiplied by something. Just I like second number, so 2. Okay. Print n, of course. I'll just remove that. I don't know. Okay, print n. After that, what will be the answer? According to me, according to you, maybe you're new to programming, you will think that programs start from left to right. So let's start this program also from left to right. That is n equals to 10 plus 30. 10 plus 30, exactly 23. 23 into 2, exactly 46. So I will write here comment. Let's see. I will write comment. My guess will be 46. Extra 36. How it happens? How it going to be happen? So I will write more comment for my wrong assumption. The expected answer was incorrect. Obviously, it was incorrect. Why I'm writing it? Because I'm not making separate notes, or that's why I'm writing. The correct answer turns out to be 36. And why it turns out to be 36? Any guesses? Maybe you have learned about BODMAS in your mathematics, but here it doesn't work like BODMAS always. It does work, but it doesn't work always. So here it works like something we call as precedence of operator. Yeah, it is due to precedence. It is due to what we called precedence of operators. Okay, this is what we call as precedence of operator. Here multiplication precedence is more than addition. I will teach you all the precedence in next video, not in just next video. So here multiplication precedence is more. 13 into 2, that is 26, and 26 plus 10, that is 36. Yeah, I messed up the thing. 13 into 2, 26. 26 plus 10 equals to 36. Okay. It is programmed that way, that its precedence of multiplication is more. Already told you that it is programmed by the inventors of that language and hardware experts. Important, but not very important in my case. I think that personally, not very important, because we always can and always have the value that we want. Okay. By using this, I want addition first, because I want to answer my 46. I will get that 46 answer by just adding the bracket here. Okay. What I have done, 10 plus 13, I have added brackets to it, or the parenthesis that improves, or just from that level, it goes precedence to that level. Okay. So now 10 plus 13 will be done absolutely at the first. Okay. 10 plus 13, that is 20, I think, what 10 plus 30, 23, and 23 to 2. Now the answer will be 46, I guess, here. It is 36. Do not headache yourself. Do not break your head in that. Try to code and get what you expect. Okay. Always get what you want, what the desired output is. Your company also tells that you want this output. They doesn't care how you get it. Okay. So the rest are only the details about this topic. I will discuss more about precedence. Okay. In the next lecture. I will also tell you the many questions arises in the intellectual minds, that what if the two parentheses come one after another? Okay. If I write something like, I just give you some ray of hope. What will be performed first? Okay. Wait a minute. I wanted to give a addition division symbol. The answer is 15.33. Just calculate now. Break your head on this expression and just assume that what precedence has been used by the compiler. Okay, that's all. That's I want to make the video. Just subscribe, share with your friends if you like it. Okay, that's all. Meet you in another lecture.